Hi everybody. If you missed our cake in a mug baking, you can do this activity at home as well. Okay, so we are going to start off. You need a mug. I have this nice flower one. And then I have all of my ingredients from my big Ziploc baggie that your mom or dad should have picked or would have picked up from the library. You'll also need a spoon so that you can stir. Oh, and something else that I don't have on the ingredient list is you'll need about 2 tablespoons of water. You just need to fill up your little oil container here. Just fill it up to about here, just above that line right here, and that should be enough water for your cup. So let's get started. So first we need a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So you just have to be a little bit careful putting this into the bag. It can go everywhere. If you get it all down at one end, you might be able to just get it right in there nicely. Okay, next we need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I wrote baking soda. It's supposed to be baking powder. It is what it is supposed to be. Sorry that I wrote the wrong thing down. Whoops. We all make mistakes though. Okay, next we need our cocoa powder, and that's 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So that's this nice brown powder. Oh, whoops, I spilled some on the counter. That's okay. Baking is not always neat. Okay, and then we need our 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Oh, I'm having a little trouble opening this bag. And then my 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You can add that, and we'll stir it all up so that all of our powders and all of our dry ingredients get mixed up properly. Because we don't want any chunks of flour or cocoa powder. That wouldn't taste very good. Cocoa powder is very bitter. It doesn't taste very good. So that's why you need the sugar to help with that. So once that's all mixed up, the brown is a little bit lighter and you don't see any big spot. Oh, look at that. I had a big spot of white right there. So we'll just mix it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll just add that in there. And then I forgot to put water on our ingredient list, but just above the line there, okay? Oh, whoops, I put a little bit more in than that. There. So can everybody, oh, can you kind of see? Sorry about that, guys. We'll just add that in there, and then we'll get all mixed up. Oh, and that looks a little bit dry, so you actually will probably need a little more water than that. Okay, so I didn't quite have enough water, so I just added a little more. I'm gonna do that just a little bit though, not the whole thing, just to get it stirred up. Oh, I'm gonna need more than that. I see a bunch of dry ingredients down at the bottom, so you want to make sure that you're getting all your ingredients mixed in when you're, oh, I'm gonna need more water. Sorry about this, guys. There we go. See, it's turning into a nice cake batter. So once it's got about this consistency, you can add your chocolate chips. There's those chocolate chips. Pour those in. And then you're good to go. You can put it in the microwave. Start at about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then if it's not quite done, then put it in for another 30 seconds. okay? So I hope that you all had fun with that, and I hope that you enjoy. Bye.